see any recent queen cells. Oh yeah, there's definitely another one down. Jesus. Well folks, this would be the biggest removal I've probably ever done. As of right now, I don't know if you can see, but it goes all the way up. At least 10 more of those wood shingles, or wood things, and then we're still removing these down here, and you can see all the bees in there. So if I go up here, I'll try to show you girls without being stung a whole bunch. They're obviously not very happy, but they go from this one to that one to that one, and that's an old hive they're using. That was from the recent. They've probably been here 25 years apparently. This is how long they've been in this side of the building. Not the same queen, obviously. Look at all them bees. And they go up. Look at all that honey, though. Ain't that crazy? Two-day removal looks like. Look at all the honey. Look at all the honey. I got my camera. I'm on a videotape.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's day 2 of our removal.
You had it on yesterday?
Yeah, I had it on yesterday. I haven't added it to the internet yet, but today it will. I wanted to show how far it went up.
Cool.
What do you say that says? About 15 foot up here?
What's that?
Right here, it's about 15 foot from the ground, or more.
Oh, I bet you're closer to 20.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Well, I tell you what, Corey, that's a 10-foot ladder.
Is it?
That blue one is.
Okay. So they've got at least almost a 8-foot long hive they had, at least.
Yeah.
Wow. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? Oh, you know what?
Huh?
I think I just seen her.
Did you really?
On your side, yeah. I'll get up there. I'll climb up there. I got the cage anyway, because they're balling up. Nope. That's fine.
I'm going to get him to give me a cinder block and put a cinder block on top of this smaller.
Okay, that makes sense. Give us a little more distance.
Yeah, because then I can go up another step. I already put the vacuum up on the board.
Sounds good.
If you come home someday and you see bees flying like this, sit back and watch where they land.
Yeah, because they're gonna land. They usually land about 100 yards from the hive, the original hive. So, yeah, we finally got it stirred up. So I think she's down here probably. This is like my element though. When they're swarming, stand in them.
Unlikely to sting you too, aren't they?
Yeah, they're usually very, very. You know, what's funny is record videos like this before, and I go to watch them again, and I see the queen. God, you. Man, that is awesome. I love watching that. That is just amazing. That is the coolest thing. All of them flapping their wings. Right up to the hive. There's a lot of bees. A lot of bees. Yeah. So I can put it on my hat, and I got one that goes on your wrist. And that is freaking cool.
They're so plugged up, it's a wonder how they even figure out how to get in.
Like a big old drone. Who wants a drone? This is crazy. Crazy!